Hello, today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking a look on how to access the Arcasa selected scenario document that is required for all brand new Green Advantage submissions to MLB Wholesale. Now, once you've gone ahead and submitted a successful brand new lead directly to the Arcasa team here within arcasa.io, you'll notice that you've completed all those initial steps of getting the kind of ball rolling and getting it over to Arcasa to create that full system, design it, reach out to the borrower, reach out to the realtor, get all kind of those pieces together to get that Green Advantage loan moving forward. But one of the things that the MLB team is always going to require upon the initial setup stage is that our selected scenario document, which tells us the numbers that need to be structured properly, the down payment assistance amount, and most importantly, the dollar amount of how much the solar panel system is going to cost to add it to the base loan amount so we have the loan with the correct loan to value and information added. So you'll see that automatically in the portal here. We're looking at the loan submission tab here in our CASA on this test file. But the way to get the actual PDF document that we're going to need uploaded to the loan file is you're going to go to the next tab over, which is pre-closing. And right there at the top, you'll see the selected scenario document. All you need to do is just click on that document. It will automatically start downloading to your computer, to your designated downloads folder. You're going to grab that document and upload it right there into the loan file, into the TPO Connect under the broker conditions upload box. And that will go directly to our team so that when our setup team is creating the initial disclosure packet, they're going to use the numbers from this Arcasa document to ensure the loan is structured properly and it's properly disclosed to the borrower and all parties involved. Now, of course, any additional documentation that Arcasa from their side provides to you will be uploaded right here into the Arcasa portal, where you can download those items, upload them into the MLB wholesale portal for us to take a look at it as well. And this will give you the opportunity to go ahead and also provide additional items to the Arcasa team whenever they do ask for those. If you have any additional questions about the Green Advantage program, Arcasa, or anything in between, always feel free to reach out to our client services team for additional assistance at clientservices at mlbmortgage.com.